Hallo alle zusammen. Keine Sorge, ich bin noch da. No worries, I am still here. Yeah, some of you were saying, ich vermisse dich, Anja. I miss you, Anja. Ich weiß, I know. For the last 2 weeks, when we were having this workshop, I hope some of you saw the videos. Lucas was mainly in the videos because I was actually focusing on the content. So the content for our new course, because we will have a new course where we implement all these strategies. I will tell you later about it. And I was focusing on the content. I was writing the dialogues, making the audio and so on. Okay? Also keine Sorge. But I'm still very happy that Lucas did this workshop because I really believe in this method. Ja? Ich glaube wirklich an diese Methode. I really believe in this method. Ich glaube wirklich an diese Methode. There you have another chunk. So in this video, we will do 2 things. First of all, I will summarize the method a little bit. It's called chunking. I will summarize it a little bit. For those of you who haven't seen the workshop or didn't really get it, this video will help you. And the second thing is I will talk a little bit about our course. Maybe you're interested in buying it and I will tell you what's included, how much it costs and so on. Los geht's! So, a quick example of such a chunk. For example, what some of my students sometimes tell me is, habe einen guten Tag, Anja. Have a good day, Anja. It's literally translated. So when they say goodbye, they will say like, habe einen guten Tag, tschüss. We would understand you, but it's not how us natives would say it. Actually, we would say, schönen Tag noch. Schönen is beautiful, Tag is day, and noch implies that it's for the remaining part of the day. Literally translated, it's still. So have a good remaining day. This is how we would say it. So this is a perfect example of a chunk where you could translate it literally, but it's not how natives would say it. So this is basically the method of chunking, just observing natives. And you can do this with my videos, easy German videos, podcasts, anything you get your hands on, just use this chunking method. This is for free. That's why we did the workshop for free. So, but now I will start talking about our course. If you're interested in doing this, the course is also based not only on chunking, but also the 12 in 12 challenge. This means you get 12 dialogues over the course of 12 weeks. So 1 dialogue per week. You observe and listen to how natives would say it, and you do this many times. We will coach you in the course on how to do it, you know, and then it gets automated. So let me just give you an example. You've already maybe seen this little dialogue, but I just want to show you again and show you exactly what you get in the course. So this is one of the dialogues we have there. Die Geburtstagsfeier bei Lisa und Julian. And there it is in English. And let's just have a look at some chunks. For example, I will also put the link to this in the description in case you didn't see it yet. It's in the description. Click the link and open it. So what we highlighted here are some chunks. For example, here, Julian. Meine Eltern, my parents, ich habe ihnen doch gesagt, dass wir ihnen noch Bescheid sagen. But I already told him that we will let them know. And here is a chunk. Bescheid sagen is a chunk. For example, you could say, ich werde dir Bescheid sagen. I will let you know. Or, just short, ich sage dir Bescheid. I'll let you know. Okay? So instead of translating it literally, I will let you know, you would get like something, ich werde dich wissen lassen, or something like that. You could say it, we would understand you, but normally we would just say, ich sage dir Bescheid. Okay? So this is a perfect example of a chunk. Another one. Mein Vater ist immer unterwegs. My father is always on the go. If you translate it literally, you would get some, I don't even know how you would say, auf dem Gehen or something. I don't even want to say it because we really wouldn't say it like this. We would say immer unterwegs, always on the go. So you see, this is what we want to get you with the chunking method. Just listen to natives, and kind of then we will also give you flashcards in the course so you can memorize them so it becomes more automatic. Or what you can also just do is listen to the dialogue several times, you know, in the car, at home, when you're cleaning, when you're cooking, whatever. You read it, you listen to it several times, and it just becomes automatic. So we are very excited about this actually. So, and yeah, the dialogues are pretty long. Then you get some exercises for it afterwards, and you get some grammar explanations, okay? Because we still think it's good to understand the underlying grammar, but we want you to focus on the chunking system. So this is also something we will explain you in the beginning of our course. You know, we will have a preparation phase where you fill out a workbook and everything. It's lots of things. So we will coach you from the beginning to the end, and you will also get a community of other people who are using this, and you can ask questions, you can send us an email, we will do some live videos and so on. Yeah, but everything is explained on the website. I will put the link in the description. So now some of you might wonder, first of all, what is different from my free YouTube videos? And second of all, how much is the course? Of course, you want to know how much it is, no? So first of all, my YouTube videos are for free, and you can use the chunking method for that. And you can even create your own little 12 in 12 challenge. The thing is, in the course, you first of all really get a structure. We will personalize it for you. There will be coaching, and we really want you to commit to it. So there is a 12-week plan. You get 1 new dialogue per week, and then you really follow through. So it's quite different from YouTube, okay? The second thing, how much is the course? Wie viel kostet der Kurs? So we had a look at the pricing of the Goethe Institute, and actually for 12 weeks, they charge 749 euros. That is just German in the evening, and there are also intensive courses, and for 8 weeks, for example, you can easily pay over 2,300 euros. So no worries, we won't charge you that much. Ja? Wir werden nicht so viel verlangen. We won't charge you that much, no worries. Our course will cost $247. $247, or you can pay over the course of 3 months, then it's only $97 per month. This price is really good, also considering that Lucas before he charged $297 for his courses, and I convinced him to make it a little bit cheaper, just so more of you can try this method and seize the opportunity. I think you can say that in English. That's, by the way, also a chunk. So check out the link in the description to get more information about it. There's also a money-back guarantee of 30 days. So in case you don't like it, you can always get your money back. So, and on the website, we have much more description and exactly what you get in more detail. Okay, I hope to see you in the course. If not, as we said, this workshop is for free. You are free to use the chunking method anywhere you go. You can even do your 12 in 12 challenge by yourself. But this course is just a way to get coached, to get the structure right away, to get the right dialogues. I wrote the dialogue, so I know exactly this is some things we use. These are chunks we actually use. And exercises, flashcards, everything together. So this is a great opportunity. And yeah, we hope you enjoy it if we see you in the course. See you soon. Bis bald. Tschüss.